In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get H&M Gift Card 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find H&M gift cards, choose between a physical card and an e-gift, customize the look, and add everything to your shopping bag confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to the H&M website. When you land on the home page, give the page a second to load completely. If you're prompted to choose a country or region, select the one where the gift card will be used so pricing and availability are correct. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. On the left-hand side of the footer, you'll see a shop section. In that section, click Gift Cards to open the dedicated gift card area. Here, you can choose the type of gift card you want. If you're gifting in person, a physical gift card is a great option. If you need something fast or want it delivered by email, go with the e-gift card. For this walkthrough, I'll choose the e-gift card. Click e-gift card to continue. You'll arrive on the H&M e-gift customization page. First, pick a design that matches the occasion, or upload a photo if the option is available. If you upload your own image, make sure you have the rights to use it, and that it's clear and properly cropped in the preview. Next, select the amount. You'll see preset values, and sometimes you can enter a custom amount within the allowed limits. Choose what fits your budget and the recipient's needs. Then select the quantity if you're sending more than one card. Add a short, friendly message if you like. Keep it concise so it displays nicely. Now enter the recipient's name and their email address carefully. Double check spelling. This is where the e-gift will be delivered. You can also add your name as the sender so they know who it's from, which is optional. Look at the delivery date field to see when the card will be sent. You can usually schedule it for a future date, which is perfect for birthdays or holidays. Remember that delivery timing follows the site's time zone settings, so consider that if you're sending to someone in another region. When everything looks good, click Add to Shopping Bag. That places your customized e-gift card in your bag, ready for review. From here, you can continue on the site as needed. Quick tips before we wrap up. If you prefer a physical card, you'll follow a similar flow on the gift cards page, choosing the card, amount, and quantity, then allowing time for shipping. Keep any confirmation emails you receive, and be aware that gift cards are usually region-specific and subject to H&M's terms and conditions. That's it. Your H&M gift card is set up and added to your shopping bag.